Suffering from back, knee or muscle pain? We can help you. What is the back pain breakthrough? The back pain breakthrough is the #1 doctor-approved and doctor-created solution for people who suffer with low back pain and sciatica. One of America's most respected spine experts has just revealed an extraordinary back pain fix. And to no surprise, the $100 billion a year back pain industry is furious he's done it. Back and neck pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, muscle pain and more. This one gentle bed exercise is verified by top experts at Harvard, Stanford and Yale. Which means people suffering from chronic pain can get instant relief from backaches and sciatica. End years of agony and torture. And enjoy a fast, gentle solution to get and stay pain-free. In fact, 53-year-old mom, Amy Palmer, put this unusual bed exercise to the test after a grueling 25 years of back pain. Not only did this exercise give her instant relief from agony, it finally put an end to her hopeless case of back pain in just 3 weeks. You can get back to life with no pain.